Hey guys, if you need help with double stops, please let me know. Visit my website and fill out the contact me form and I'll write you back. How cool is that? I write to most people back when they're being sincere and actually need help. So yeah, I hope we can get connected. Thank you so much for watching this video. Consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss any more great content from me. Thank you and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.